And now, with the latest weather conditions, Poncho Jay is live on the scene at Green Hill Park. Poncho Jay, how's the weather?
Hey, Sam, I hate to tell you this, but we are facing the worst nor'easter in the history of Worcester. It is worse than the April Fool's storm, Snowmageddon, and the blizzard of '78. Combined, it is near whiteout conditions here at Green Hill Park.
Poncho Jay, I only see a few flakes falling.
Yes, Sam, that's how it appears on camera. The TV adds 15 pounds to people, so it takes away 15 pounds of snow to even it out. It's science.
I have to admit, I've never heard that. Poncho Jay, why are you facing backwards?
I can't see a thing in these whiteout conditions. Where's my cameraman? Help! Don't wander off in this snowstorm.
Poncho Jay, turn around.
Oh, good. I thought I lost you in this blizzard.
I have to admit, it doesn't look that bad from the studio, and we're not that far from Green Hill Park.
Not that bad. The snow is up to my neck. Oh, sorry, Sam. I slipped. This ground is solid ice. Wow, I am covered in snow. It is so cold out here. I hope I don't die from hypochondria. I think my fingers have frostbite.
Poncho Jay, I'm sorry. What is your job title again?
I'm chief meteorologist.
Chief?
Sure, we'll go with that. It is so cold that penguins are migrating from Antarctica to Worcester.
Poncho Jay, what penguins? I'm not sure that's real.
Yes, it's hard to tell in these whiteout conditions. It is so cold that the saber-toothed tiger has become de-extinct.
Poncho Jay, I think that is a stray cat or possibly a rabid raccoon.
Sam, please, do you have a degree in science and nature?
No, I don't. Do you?
No, but I have been to the ecotarium several times. It is so cold that nobody, and I mean nobody, dares to go outside today.
I just saw somebody walking behind you.
I think that was that snowman thing.
Poncho Jay, I'm not sure I understand. Are you saying that was a walking snowman?
No, Sam, it was a phenomenal snowman.
A phenomenal snowman?
The abdominal snowman.
Does that mean he works out?
A barnacle snowman.
A barnacle snowman?
Bigfoot, Sam, Bigfoot.
Well, that's Poncho Jay, live at Green Hill Park, in weather conditions he describes as very snowy.
And very icy too, Sam. Ah! Meteorologist down!
And according to the measurements at Worcester Airport, the official snowfall tally is 1.7 inches.